All right, man. Welcome to Crow 777 Radio. This is a bumper for episode 369. Jason Lingren is with me, and Clive DeCarlo returns to talk about health and natural supplements. As always, Clive brings it. The first hour is free at crow777radio.com, CRROW777radio.com. Members know to log in. As always, Clive has new things to share with us, and if you're interested in natural supplements and this kind of things made in nature where there is no lie, you should join us. There it is, man. I'd like to wish you all a happy, healthy, and higher-minded new era. Cheers.
Belief is the enemy of knowing.